fuck him. Hello, I want to fuck, my name is Burgers and I want to kill. And the fucking fuckers 5 weeks in this territory. I am in the new zone of Africa, the northeast of Europe. Today I'm gonna leave this fucking tutorial. Come on, let's go, man. Oh, fuck, I record this, man. Oh my god, oh, fuck. Oh my god. I don't wanna eat this because I don't wanna kill anybody who is not alive in this. Oh my god. Come on guys, let's continue. These are the places where the huge gusanos are in the middle. Come on, let's go. Oh shit. Oh. Oh my god. I'm gonna eat this. It tastes so bad. But this huge gusano will hit me in the middle to sticker. And let's continue because it tastes so bad. Oh my god, it's roaring. Okay, this is a blowjob from Malaysia. This is the first snake on the world that I am gonna catch them. I wanna kill them right now because he's a bad quality. Oh my god! Oh my shit! Oh! Oh my god! He's running! He doesn't know! Oh my god! Oh shit! Oh, I catch him! I'm gonna fucking kill them! The first thing, when I see this, I think I'm gonna eat this eye because the eye is one of the most sensitive parts of this snake. Come on, let's go. Oh, oh my god. Oh. Oh, fuck. They're really bad. But this thing will help me with the protein to continue over this. It tastes like kitchen in the chicken. Basic technique that show me in the little future is grabbing two rocks right there and smashing it. I will reduce the fire and make some fire right there. So. Perfect guys, well I built this wooden to recuse from the possibly of some river, so I am gonna put there the fire and I'm gonna sleep. So let's see. Hello guys. In the other part of the river the civilization is a little bit see a fucker. I am continuing and I'm gonna try the seed, so I'm gonna starting leading this. I am going to traverse the river because in the other side is more population. So my friend is going to grab my inches to some security mode. Now I need quickly to find someone to make some fire, so I will leave some there and there was some fucking nades. Oh, grab the helicopter.